Hey friends, if the touchpad driver is not showing up on the device manager of your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. The first solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So we have a command line for you, which is msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open it. Paste this command here and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Simply click on next. It will start detecting problems and fix it if possible. The next solution is to show hidden devices in the device manager. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Click on view and select show hidden devices. Okay, does it show up now? Next is update the touchpad driver. But before this, I'll show you something. So in device manager, we have two locations where you will find the touchpad drivers. One is mice and other pointing devices, and the second one is human interface devices. So please check both of them. So the next one is to update the touchpad driver. Okay. If you find it, I mean, if you don't find it, then that's obviously a different thing. But once you find it, I will always suggest you to update the driver. And lastly, run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. It will need a while to scan your system and fix any irregularities if possible, including the one where the touchpad drivers are missing. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.